back and queues, and now we have to solve a first question of a linked list, which is delete the middle node of linked list. Okay, so what this question is telling, there is given a head vector, sorry, there is given a linked list head, okay, and you have to return the middle node. You have to delete the middle node, and after the deleting the middle node, you just have to return the modified head. Okay, so the middle of the linked list is defined as the n by 2, the element which is present at the n by 2. So you have to just delete the n by 2 element. Okay, and if there is an even number, then you just have to return the even number of a linked list. Then you just have to delete the rightmost middle of the linked list. Okay, you just have to delete the rightmost. So let's understand with an example. If n is even, if n is even, so n is 4 by 2 is equals to 2 plus 1. So you have to delete the you have to delete 3. Okay, when you delete the 3, so you just have to return the 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so you have to return the this linked list. In the same way, for a odd number of nodes, there is 5, and n by 2, which is 5 by 2, you will get the 2. Okay, after you getting the 2, you just have to 0 1 2. So you have to delete this, and after deleting this element, you just have to return 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, you have to delete, you will get this element. So you have to return this. I hope you understand. So how can you do this? First you have to create the slope pointer. Okay, which is initially at the head position, and also the fast pointer, which is initially also at the head position. You just have to check while. Okay, so I will first you have to create list node star slow equals to head, list node star fast equals to head. Okay, you just have to create this, and then you just have to check if head is equals to null, or head ka next is equals to null, then you just have to return the null. Okay, you just have to return the null, and then create a while fast is not equals to null, and fast ka next is not equals to null. Then you just have to do slow equals to slow ka next, and fast equals to fast ka next. Okay, you just have to move like this. and again you have to create a list node star temp equals to head. Again you have to check while temp ka next is not equals to slow, then you just have to do temp equals to temp ka next. Okay, and then you just have to move temp ka next equals to temp ka next equals to temp ka next equals to temp ka next. Okay, and after this you just have to return the head. So let's run this code. Okay, it's temp. This code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.